This is a carpal tunnel wrist brace support with 2 straps and a metal splint stabilizer. I was sent a review from Zofore Sport, so let me show you a closer look because it's a really great device. This does come in different sizes and they come in right and left hands, so make sure you order the right size and the right hand. I got the large/extra large right hand. Comes with a little user's manual guide with a visual guide of how to put it on, but it's really intuitive. It is a full 360, but in between, that's just like a really nice thin fabric. So it's gonna be very breathable. Just slide your hand on in there, just tighten it up. In here is the like really thick metal, removable metal splint, which is so incredibly supportive. It's just in this little slot here. Wide but thin, so it's not really adding any bulk or discomfort, but it's so supportive in there. And then if you wanna wash this, you just take that out and close all the hook and loop fasteners and hand wash it. It's so nice and comfortable and breathable, but you know, if you're wearing it regularly, you're gonna wanna wash it. But it goes the whole length of the device, so you cannot bend your wrist like either direction. It's really, really supportive whether you have carpal tunnel or you're healing from an injury, broken wrist, sprained wrist, you name it. They do make the different sizes, but even within the one size, it's very flexible. Like look how wide that can be. And it's very comfortable and well made. Everything is like soft and not scratchy, just really, really nice. Feels very durable. Your thumb, your fingers, everything can still like be used. Look at the breathability factor there, but that's like really padded and nice. When it's fully opened, look at how stretchy that is. Just really, really well designed. Super impressed with this. I hope you don't need it, but if you're watching this video, you probably do. And I will say 2 thumbs up.